Hello everyone. Now I'll show you how simple it is to sign up to Star Casino. Just click on our link to enter the casino, enter your name, surname, our email and our telephone number with the area code. Nationally it takes very little less than 3 minutes. In this video I'll show it to you. As you can see, just enter your tax code, enter if you are a man or a woman, the date of birthday, month and year, the country of birth and the municipality of birth. We recommend it because in addition to being an AMS registered game, it is very safe, and inside you will find a lot of games. Then obviously you have to put in your player credentials that everyone puts in their name and surname, their residence address, and then later we will go to also enter the other data for entering the account. Obviously we have available in the first registration of free spins. Obviously, as you can see, we have to insert our identity document by inserting the number. Obviously it can be either the identity card or the passport or the driving license. Now in this case we have inserted our driving license. Complete the registration by entering the deposit data maximum that we want to set. We have now set it to €1,000 maximum per month, also for gambling addiction purposes. Now we put our account, which can be a Face card or a MasterCard card, or even an Apple Pay account or a My Bank or a P card, or even a classic PayPal linked to an IBAN account or a Skrill or Neteller card, and voila. In this case we have put the post-pay, but we are already directly on. We have initially paid €30, and here you will find all the various games in which you can have fun. We recommend playing French roulette, or in any case live roulette, French or international, and follow us in the next videos. Greetings, see you soon, and if you liked the video click like and follow the page. Greetings to everyone and happy playing.